Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. And that's an 18 by 24 inch canvas I pre-primed with Artist Loft White. It had some Floetro and GAC 800 in it. This is Chantilly lace. I'm a I'm a Colourarte affiliate, so I use Primary Elements, Prizm Pours, Vivid Intense, and Vivid Intense Fluorescence. So I'm just going to give myself some random shapes, figuring that they might make a resist or they might make interesting shapes. Because I'm going to add some gold in puddles, and then I'm going to smear, I believe, some cell activator across things. And it can't hurt that I have a bunch of paint on here at all. What I am a little bit confused about is the fact that I've got Mayan gold, which I want to try, but I've also got Colourarte Americana 24 karat gold. So I'll start with my Mayan gold and see what happens. And if I want to try the Colourarte Americana 24 karat gold, I'll do that next. I've got some silver also. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, except for it's not open right now. Why is it not open? It was open a second ago. Nope. I've got the tiniest little dribble coming out. It's better than it was. Yeah, I like the idea of that. We'll try that also. So I'm going to grab a big fat card. And I've got Amsterdam black and Amsterdam white. And I'm going to use, oh, I got two cards. Wait, unstick. Let's use the smaller one. I'm a little chicken. It's not really wide enough. Alright, let's go back to the original plan. There's some black. Here's some white. Now, I've recently been experiencing a love of all things gappy. As in, I like it when there's a resist on the canvas. And I'm just going to keep going until I feel like I'm inspired to do something else. And hope that you can see that. And if I want to add other colors, I will do so. I think I need to try at least a partial on this right down here. Wipe that off. So I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to try the Colourarte. But I'm still tempted by the silver. Although it didn't do that much for me up there. Maybe we'll do the silver right now. Maybe we'll do more silver right now. And I do have little acetate tools that have teeth in them now. Well, I'm not hating that. I'm going to scrape off the rest of my paint, which in this case I know is Chantilly lace. I'm going to put some more gold right here. And I wonder if I have a smaller card, and I'm sure I have a smaller card. It's just which. It's not really very big. Let's use the playing card. That seems like a good solution to me. I'm not seeing much effect from the white, which is okay with me, honestly. I'm going to take half and half. I'm going to go back to just the black. I don't know about back to it, because I've been doing black and white right along. But I do know in order to get good cells you have to have a fairly copious amount of paint. I'm not sure I'm in love with any of that yet, but it really hasn't got to the point where I know what I'm doing so completely. I'm thinking that the red-violet fluorescent Vivid Intense is going to be something that's going to come in here. Alright, so that's not really wide enough. That's not wide enough either. So that's the Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold. We're going to try that now. I don't mind that I didn't get cells the whole way. So I've just got a few places left. And then I might even use a spatula because I'm not sure. I can't tell much the difference. They look very similar in shade. And they're very similar in their cell activity too. I'm still going to go back to the white for the moment. I'm not going to worry about pulling it all out. I do like to use my card to scrape and mark make. And I definitely thought about adding some black. And I'm not done thinking about it either. I just have to find it. I know it's right here. But I think before I do anything else, I'm going to let myself play with the red-violet. Almost time to mix some more cell activator. I think scraping is my thing. It's sort of been something I like to do for a long time. So we're going to try it for one more minute before I resort to what I've been thinking about, which is a combination of black. Boy, I want some blue. I'm going to stick with my red-violet for the moment. Maybe, I think a little blue velvet is in order. Oh, that's cool. I like being able to remove paint and then use it somewhere else. have this terrible feeling I'm going to run out of time. When the timer goes off, I'll have 3 minutes. I think I'm just going to use some of that blue straight. No cell activator necessary. That's making me happier than anything. And of course I can still go back and add the black I was thinking about. I don't know if it's getting better yet or not, but I expect it to. My optimism. Let me see what I think of. Yes, I think, wow, and it's so plugged. The Royal Sapphire. Do I have any chance at all? It's just in the very top. I got it. Wow. Now, I'm not even hardly cleaning my card off. I'm happier with this by far. And I've got a scraping tool. I think I mentioned that. I hope I mentioned that. Let's find my scraping tool. Collapsed on me. I was pulling too hard. I'm feeling some kind of red or orange coming. I still haven't done what I said I was going to do with the black, and I'm very interested in doing it. As long as my bottles don't all fall down. Yeah, I think that's going to make me happy. I think this is going to make a remarkable improvement, as long as I don't stick my bottle in again. Alright, it's getting to the point where I think I need to really look at what I'm doing in a wider picture, because I'm actually beginning to like it, and I think it may require some orange, but I'm not 100% on that yet. Alright, I've got 3 minutes to do whatever I want. And I'll start by telling you guys, I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. And I love returning the favor. And people have been telling me that, and I love hearing that. I'm just dragging a card down the edge. It's very expressionist, isn't it? I like the use of the cells. I have a small tool. What did I do with my small tool? I seem to have made it go away, but I have a small acetate tool. So what do I need to tell you guys? Everything? I'm so distracted by having such a good time. I recommend it. Good time, no matter what. Alright, so I've got to shimmer this at you. I'm pretty sure there's some shimmer. And I could definitely scrape if I'd found my other tool, which is just a smaller version of the rake that I've got. I've also got spatulas. Princeton Art Tool Catalog spatulas. They're my Amazon link, if you look there. And if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. And you help me out. I'm completely distracted. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. This is a whole series of new experimental art to seeing what I can do in 20 minutes. Evidently dinner is ready. I was told I had 45 minutes, but that was not true. I think I like that better filled in. Alright, so let me give it a bit of a shimmer. Just some balance in there. Move this up into frame and hope you saw part of that. That's pretty cool. It could just wind up being a background for something else tomorrow. Alright, so thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for watching longer. Thank you for your comments. They keep my morale boosted. I really appreciate that. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link. Check my Teespring clothing below the video, and on the link tree you can find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group. This is pretty busy, but it's pretty cool too. Can't wait to see what it looks like dry. I might add some dots or something. That might be kind of nice. Like with some black. Add some dots right now. Yeah, kind of like those dots. Oh yeah, fingerprints. But cool. Alright. You guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I will see you anon. Whatever I forgot to tell you, you'll see in another video. I've got to go. It's time. Bye for now. Priscilla out.